public sector GAIL India. That one is trading near its 10-month lows and is looking at ways to raise precious funds by selling its non-core assets. Let's get in Ajay Sharma, who's picked up all of the exclusive details on one such impending transaction that might just help the company tide over its difficult times. Ajay, what have you got on this one?
Well, that's correct, Awan. We understand from sources that Gas Authority of India is considering selling another non-core asset. It is actually its stake in the China Gas Holdings. It holds around 4.5% stake, and we understand from sources that GAIL has decided to hive off its stake. So at current valuation, it's a Hong Kong-based listed company, China Gas Holdings. So the stake is valued at around 200 crore, just 175 to be precise. And depending on the market conditions, so take into account $225 million Hong Kong dollars. We understand that they are considering appointing a energy major as a consultant who will be finding global oil and gas majors or a possible deal. So the way international deals in the energy space are conducted. We understand that this is in addition to the past 2-3 years, we've been seeing that GAIL is coming down its focus of petchem and gas transmission and various investments which it had made globally. Earlier it sold off its Shell, they had a CNG JV with Shell in Egypt. They sold that off. Now we understand that they are going to sell this particular stake in China Gas Holdings also. So it's a positive development in the sense that if you take into account 175 crore, which whenever they finalize the transaction will be reported in the next quarterly results. So if 1,000 crore running rate is the quarterly PAT of GAIL, 200 crore suddenly gets added in that one. So from that sense it is important, and also that gradually they are moving to sharpen their focus in petchem and transmission only. That's what analysts on the street are telling us. We tried to contact the company on this, but our email query did not saw any response. However, we understand that this progress is happening at the highest level in the GAIL management.